Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys some possible fixes on how you can fix a problem you might be having with Reels if they are unavailable. So let's get right into it. Now, what you're going to be doing to actually fix this, if you're having that problem, I'm not, so I can't really show you guys what it looks like, is you can try a couple of different things. Firstly, of course, you should make sure that your Instagram app is updated. Go either to your Play Store if you're using an Android or the App Store if you're using an iOS system, and make sure that it is completely updated. If it's not updated, it might have a couple of problems, so you should go ahead and try and fix that as soon as possible. Update it and that should work. If not, you should check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, do a speed test on the internet, and if it's slow or if it doesn't exist, if it's broken, it might be due to your own hardware, so you should restart your router and everything. Try to troubleshoot it in any way you can, and then if it's not due to you, then it might be because of your ISP, and you're going to need to wait for them to actually fix it. Now, if you're using your mobile data, you should go ahead and turn off power saving mode, since that might limit your data and it might not allow you to view reels. And you should also go to your Instagram account settings, go into your account, then go over into the menu in the top right, go down until you see your app and media, click on data usage and media quality, make sure data saver is off as well. And once you're done with that, there is a couple of different other things that you can also try. If it doesn't fix, you can go ahead and you can go into your apps, locate Instagram, go into your storage and clear the cache, because a corrupted cache can cause some problems and make reels unavailable. And if none of that works, then I'm pretty sure that you're just gonna have to wait or try to reinstall Instagram, restart your device, etc, etc. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Reinstallation might be your only option at that point. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.